Welcome to the thrilling world of drone racing. Buckle up as we dive into high-speed competitions that take aerial excitement to new heights. FPV technology, or first-person view, immerses pilots in the action. With goggles on, they see exactly what the drone sees, creating an adrenaline-fueled experience. Pilot skills are paramount. Precision, reflexes, and practice are essential as racers navigate tight turns and high-speed straights. Masters of the skies. Racing formats vary from time trials to head-to-head sprints. Each format tests different skills and strategies, keeping the competition fierce and exciting. Community involvement is key. Local clubs and online forums bring enthusiasts together, sharing tips and stories that fuel passion for drone racing. Looking ahead, innovations in drone technology and racing formats promise an electrifying future. Get ready for even more exhilarating experiences. In conclusion, drone racing is more than just a sport. It's a community of thrill seekers and innovators. So gear up and join the race.